Just a wild case on Long Island. A woman in her 80s was pronounced dead at a nursing home, but was discovered breathing hours later at a funeral home.
As CBS 2's Jennifer McLogan reports, it is unclear if the woman was declared dead in error or if she experienced a medical episode that caught her heart beating on its own.
An 82-year-old woman was pronounced dead at the Water's Edge Rehab and Nursing Center in Port Jefferson, 11:15 a.m. Saturday, according to police. Her body was taken to a nearby funeral home, O.B. Davis in Miller Place, where shortly after 2 p.m., the octogenarian was found to be alive and breathing. She was transported by ambulance to a local hospital here. Residents in Port Jefferson call it outrageous.
It's a horror. It's a nightmare situation.
Who's checking to see if they're dead or not? It's bizarre. In this day and age, it's bizarre.
Sad. Sad for the family and everybody involved.
The nursing home declined our request for an interview and did not return phone messages. Suffolk police tell us they turned the case over to the New York State Health Department and the Attorney General's office. Both confirmed to us they are investigating. This is an awful situation that has caused unnecessary trauma for the impacted resident and her loved ones. Legal analyst Andrew Lieb.
The public health law in New York actually says, hey, there's rights and duties that you have to have in these nursing homes, and I'm sure that's why the AG is investigating.
Just last week in the Midwest, there was a similar case. A 66-year-old woman found gasping for air in a body bag at an Iowa funeral home.
After the heart stops, which is how we define death, there is a phenomenon referred to as auto-resuscitation.
Dr. Sam Parney of NYU Langone says after death is declared, the brain in some cases produces surging hormones of adrenaline and steroids.
The body will bring itself back to life again because it has these inherent mechanisms that it fights till the very end and it tries to preserve itself.
It's not clear what happened in the Port Jefferson case. The funeral home says, respecting privacy and confidentiality, they are not in a position to comment. The victim's name and her current condition have not been disclosed. From Port Jefferson, Long Island, Jennifer McLogan, CBS 2 News.
My goodness, we learned something there.
We certainly did.
Hope they're okay.